princess makeover. We are going to Magic Kingdom today. 怎么了？ Since the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique is closed, I'm gonna be doing her makeup and hair by myself. A princess makeover.
I don't want to do a makeup.
Sleepyhead.
I'm not a sleepyhead.
Look, your hair. You just woke up.
No, I'm not a sleepyhead.
Can you put down your lightsaber? It's like in a way.
I don't want to.
I brought a little bottle of gel. Let's go. Do you want to be Rapunzel or be Belle?
Belle and Rapunzel.
你往前一点，你坐往前一点。This is the royal treatment. Breakfast while hair is being done. 要往左右看。
这头发要再做多久？
左右看没做好。Okay, I'm gonna give you a bun.
Hear them away.
往下一点，头往下看，这样。This is basically just a ballet bun. Look.
I don't want that. I don't want
that. Wow. Go look in the mirror. Do you want to change? Do you want to be Belle or be Rapunzel?
People.
Turn around. This is your hair with a bun.
Looks like a ballet bun.
Hey, I'm gonna give you a little sparkle on your eyes.
I'm cold.
Gonna give you a little bit of sparkle. I'm gonna give you like really sparkly pink color. Ooh. So wait. Ooh, so sparkly. I'm gonna give you some blush.
Blush.
A little bit of blush.
Oh, that's good.
Hey, Hayden! What are you doing? And then just a little bit of gloss. I like your makeup.
Thanks.
Look, your lips are shiny.
Thanks.
You can put some earrings on.
I want to pick.
These are stick-on earrings. Pick one that fits your outfit. What about this one? This pink one.
Oh, that's gold.
That's pink. 好了，随便一个。
我想要这个。
You want these ones?
Yes.
Let me put it on you.
I can do it by myself.
Okay, let me put one on you.
It's sticker.
Wow, so pretty.
Thank you.
The other side, okay, you do it by yourself then.
There we go.
Move your hand, let me see. Wow. Okay, move your hand.
I like it.
Wow. Whoa. Okay, let me see your makeup. Nice. Earrings. 过来呀. Earrings, hair, crown. Yes. Are you ready to meet Rapunzel?
They do this one. Do this one. Yes, very good. There you go. Say hi to Rapunzel. Say hi. You like it? Rapunzel 在跟你讲话。Rapunzel likes you. How many princess? So many princess, right? Which is your favorite princess? All of them? You like all the princesses?
Yes.
You saw the princess. Good job. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Two fist bump. Two fist bump. Two fist bump. Very good. Okay.
Rapunzel's tower.
Get up there.
You want to get up there? We're gonna go to the Be Our Guest restaurant. She wants to be Belle, and we're gonna change her into the Belle dress to the Be Our Guest restaurant.
Reservation of 2 adults, 1 princess, and 1 infant. And then the Bees has a very special table here in the grand hall.
We're in a castle. We're in a castle. And it's snowing outside. Glass princess. You put it on your lips only, okay? Baby's crying. Ooh, shiny. So shiny. 好了，可以了，可以了，可以，可以。Let me see. Let me see your lips. So cute. 一点点这样子。
哎，可以了，看了，看了。
对对 ，Good job. 对对对。Cheese. Cheese. Which one do you want? 大苹果。